Vice Admiral Patrick Hanifin, Commander U.S. 7th Fleet, and our boss, Fleet Bandmaster Lieutenant Andrea Simitowski. Big thank you to the U.S. Embassy and the local consulate for having us here today and performing here at the Dragon Bridge. I can't imagine a cooler place to play music. What a beautiful bridge. It's incredible. But before we go on, I want to introduce this fine band to you. First, back there on the drums, musician third class Tyler Lee. Holding it down back there on the sousaphone, that's musician first class Jonathan Payne. On the trombone, our fearless leader, musician second class Ivan Vasquez. Also on the trombone, musician second class Sean Everlin. On the alto saxophone, musician third class Joni Dyer. On the tenor saxophone, musician third class Case Smith. Yeah! On the trumpet, musician third class Easton Barra. Last but not least, also on the trumpet, musician second class Christina Tarlson. A big shout out to our sound engineer, musician first class Adam Byers. I'm musician second class Patrick Melton, and we are the Broadside Brass Band. Step inside my car. I got pictures, got candy, I'm a lovable man. I wanna take you to the nearest star. I'm your vehicle, baby. I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, mama. By now I'm sure you know I love you, I need you, I want you, got to have your child. Break out in heaven, you know I love you. Well, I can take you to Hollywood. If you wanna stay right with me, well, I really think you should. Cause I'm your vehicle, baby. I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. By now I'm sure you know I love you, I need you, I want you, got to have your child. On the trombone. Great God in heaven, you know I love you.